Hello. The following is the solution for how to do the problem that you should have worked on your own using the square root property. This was example 1.4.4. Look at letter A. X squared equals 29. Using the square root property, that gives me x equals plus or minus the square root of 29. And I'm done because the square root of 29 cannot be simplified. Letter B. X squared equals negative 144. So that gives me by the square root property, x equals plus or minus the square root of negative 144. Simplifying this, that gives me plus or minus the square root of that negative gives me an I, and the square root of 144 is 12. So it's plus or minus 12. C. X minus 8 squared equals 24. This is what's being squared. So whenever I use the square root property, that gives me x minus 8 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 24. 24 is the same thing as 4 times 6. If you need to, use the factor tree. So simplifying that gives me x minus 8 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4, which is 2, times the square root of 6. Add 8 to both sides. That gives me x equals 8 plus or minus 2 square root of 6.